Hi, I'm Milt of MF Metalarts, and welcome to another video on basic filigree techniques. In this video, I'll be demonstrating the final finishing steps for my filigree creations. The tools that you will need to complete the finishing steps are brass brush for a flex shaft, a handheld brass brush, medium rubber polishing wheel and appropriate mandrel, medium pin polisher and appropriate mandrel, TRIPOLI polishing compound and green rouge, or your preferred polishing compounds, miniature felt buff, an appropriate setup for pickling, a magnetic pin finisher, which is optional, some sunlight type dish detergent for burnishing. I like to use this extended life or XL liver of sulfur, a little jar in order to mix the liver of sulfur in, some tweezers, and very important, 4 zeros, 0, 0, 0, 0 steel wool. And of course, a standard brass brush. Nitrile gloves to protect your hands while using liver of sulfur. The steps that I generally follow are complete all of your soldering, pickle, brass brush, clean up the frame with a medium abrasive wheel, polish the frame with TRIPOLI, then set any stones, polish the frames with something like green rouge. Thanks very much for watching.